Hi YouTubers, today we'll show you how to download this. Just watch and you will say this is amazing. Actually, that's the skin of Windows Media Player that I have downloaded. I will show you how to download this. First, go to Google. Go to Google. Then, click the new tab. Then, copy this. This is the link of the skin. Copy that, then paste it. Just click paste and go. If you see this, you can download this skin of Windows Media Player. But if you don't want it to be your skin, there's so many categories to be select. This, then go to games, movies, and other. So after that, you click to download, and after it finish, click open. So you can have your, for me I will cancel it because I already have. So you can have your own skin, and don't worry, it's free. So that's all. Thanks for watching.